So what exactly is inflation? Inflation is the fact that over time things get more expensive. It's why the movies used to be $7, now it's $14. It's why a Happy Meal used to be $5, now it's $8. It's because things get more expensive over time. In fact, historically, if you look at a century of data, about 3.7% each year, goods and services have gotten more expensive. 3.7% may not sound like much, but here's what happens over time. Over the course of 2 decades at 3.7% inflation, your cost of living doubles. That's right. If it takes you $50,000 a year to live your lifestyle, now it takes you $100,000 a year to live the same lifestyle at 3.7% inflation for a couple decades. So how do you combat inflation? Well, the way that you combat inflation is by investing your money. That's why you hear financial advisors, financial professionals tell you not to keep your money under the mattress, because although it may sound safe, it's actually the only guaranteed loss. Because as your money is under the mattress not earning anything, inflation's eating away at your purchasing power, you're actually losing money, right? So you invest. You buy things like stocks. You buy things like real estate or other cash flow producing assets that are intended to keep pace with and exceed inflation. By doing that, what happens is that you see your purchasing power grow over time. Now, is inflation an issue today as much? We get a lot of questions, right? Is inflation going to come about? The reason being the government has printed a lot of money in order to fight the coronavirus. Now, many of you may remember the 1970s and 1980s when we had double-digit inflation. We're extremely unlikely to go back to those levels. However, again, 2-3% inflation, historically the norm, can eat away at your purchasing power, cause you to not meet your financial goals. When you do your financial planning, make sure you incorporate a rate of inflation to keep pace with your spending in the future. Make sure you invest to keep pace with inflation. That's how you beat inflation. I'm Brian Perry. This is another episode of Beyond the Bell.
Are you prepared for retirement? Sign up for a free financial assessment with a certified financial planner professional from Pure Financial Advisors.